Most employees think of AI as chatbots, dashboards, or visible automation tools, but the truth is more complex. Invisible AI agents are already running large portions of the modern workplace, quietly managing systems, workflows, and decisions without drawing attention. So, what are invisible AI agents in the workplace? They are autonomous systems embedded deep within business operations, working continuously in the background. These agents handle scheduling optimization, fraud detection, supply chain forecasting, cybersecurity monitoring, and customer behavior analysis. How do AI agents work behind the scenes at companies? By analyzing massive data sets in real time, they make micro decisions faster and more accurately than humans ever could. Many organizations don't even realize how much decision-making is handled by AI today. From approving transactions to prioritizing support tickets, invisible AI automation touches nearly every department. This hidden efficiency explains why companies adopting AI often outperform competitors without obvious changes on the surface. But how does invisible AI automation affect employees? For many, it reduces friction. Systems anticipate needs, prevent errors, and optimize workflows automatically. Workers experience smoother processes without knowing an AI agent is responsible. However, this invisibility can also create concern when employees are unaware of how decisions affecting them are made. This raises an important question. How transparent should AI systems be in organizations? While invisible AI improves efficiency, ethical implementation requires clarity. Employees should understand when algorithms influence evaluations, scheduling, or performance metrics. Transparency builds trust and prevents misuse. There are also risks. What are the risks of hidden AI systems at work? Poorly designed models can reinforce bias, make errors at scale, or create accountability gaps. When AI decisions go unseen, it becomes harder to challenge or audit them. Still, the momentum is clear. Will invisible AI agents become the norm in the future? Almost certainly. As AI systems become more reliable, businesses will favor seamless integration over visible tools. The most powerful technologies are often the ones you never notice. The future workplace won't announce AI's presence. It will quietly rely on it. The challenge ahead is ensuring these invisible systems serve humans, not silently replace oversight and responsibility. A new business model is gaining traction: the AI-first company. These organizations design their operations around artificial intelligence from day one, using AI agents to handle tasks once managed by large human teams. This raises a provocative question. Will AI-first companies make human teams optional? So, what is an AI-first company? It's an organization where AI systems manage core functions such as customer support, marketing, analytics, finance, and operations. Humans focus on strategy, ethics, creativity, and oversight. In some startups, fewer than 10 employees manage systems that once required hundreds. How do AI-first businesses operate with fewer employees? AI agents automate workflows end to end. They respond to customers, optimize pricing, manage supply chains, and analyze performance in real time. This enables rapid scaling without proportional increases in staff. This leads to a natural question. Can companies run with mostly AI workers? Technically, yes. Many digital businesses already do. AI-first models reduce overhead, accelerate decision-making, and operate continuously. For investors, are AI-first companies more profitable? Often they are, at least in the short term. However, what jobs remain in AI-first organizations? Humans still play essential roles in leadership, innovation, governance, and relationship building. AI lacks judgment, accountability, and moral reasoning, qualities that remain uniquely human. There are also risks. What are the risks of human optional workplaces? Over-reliance on AI can create fragility. System failures, biased algorithms, and ethical blind spots can cause widespread harm if unchecked. Fewer humans also mean fewer perspectives and reduced adaptability in uncertain situations. From an employment perspective, how does AI-first strategy affect jobs? It may reduce entry-level roles while increasing demand for highly skilled professionals who design, manage, and audit AI systems. So, what is the future of AI-first companies? They will continue to grow, but not without debate. The most sustainable models will blend AI efficiency with human oversight. AI first doesn't have to mean human last. The challenge ahead is designing organizations where technology amplifies human value rather than making it optional. Automation is transforming jobs faster than traditional education systems can adapt. As roles evolve and new skills emerge, a crucial question takes center stage. Can AI retrain workers fast enough for the future? Reskilling has always been a challenge, but the scale and speed required today are unprecedented. How is AI used for workforce reskilling? AI-powered learning platforms analyze job trends, skill gaps, and individual performance to deliver personalized training paths. Instead of one-size-fits-all courses, workers receive targeted lessons aligned with real-world demand. This raises optimism. Can AI personalize job training at scale? Unlike human instructors, AI systems can tailor learning for millions of people simultaneously. They adapt content based on learning pace, preferences, and outcomes, increasing engagement and retention. Another key concern is relevance. What jobs require reskilling because of AI? Roles in manufacturing, customer service, logistics, finance, and administration are changing rapidly. AI-driven reskilling helps workers transition into data analysis, AI oversight, cybersecurity, and creative roles. But how effective are AI-powered learning platforms? Early results are promising. Companies using AI training report faster onboarding, higher skill acquisition, and reduced training costs. Still, technology alone isn't enough. Motivation, access, and support remain critical factors. Governments are also exploring solutions. Can governments use AI to reskill unemployed workers? AI-driven national training programs could match displaced workers with in-demand skills, reducing long-term unemployment. However, access to technology and digital literacy remain barriers. This leads to a bigger question. Will AI replace traditional education systems? Not entirely. Formal education provides foundational knowledge and social development. AI complements it by offering continuous, just-in-time learning throughout a career. So, what is the future of reskilling in an AI economy? Lifelong learning will become the norm. AI will act as a personal tutor, career advisor, and skills coach, helping workers stay relevant in a constantly changing job market. AI won't eliminate the need for learning. It will make learning unavoidable and more accessible than ever before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.